Isa ka rin ba sa mga naniniwala that our problems are our greatest teachers? Like there's an opportunity in every problem, like problems in life make us a better person. Kasi years before, I don't believe in this and akala ko pampalubag loob lang sa mga taong may problema. But now, looking back, masasabi kong may point nga naman. Kasi nga, di ba, may kasabihan na if it ain't broke, don't change it. Kaya siguro kung walang nasisira sa buhay natin, kung wala tayong problema, baka hindi rin tayo ma-motivate na may baguhin sa sarili natin. Kumbaga, we remain stagnant. And yet, kung may mga nasisira sa buhay natin, and kung meron tayong problema, we are motivated to change something. And better yet, we change something for the better. And eventually, we become a better person. Kaya siguro sabi nila, don't waste a good problem. Use it to make you better.